In situations where you're attempting to set up two-factor authentication on your Facebook account using a different device, an error message may appear stating you can't make this change at the moment. This is because we noticed you're using a device you don't usually use. This error occurs if you're using a device you don't typically use or if you log into your Facebook account infrequently. However, there are two solutions to resolve this issue. The first solution involves uninstalling and reinstalling the Facebook app, then following the on-screen instructions. After reinstalling the app, log into your Facebook account, access the settings, navigate to account security, and enable two-factor authentication, preferably through text message verification. If the first solution doesn't work, the second solution is to link your Instagram and Facebook accounts. Even if you don't have an Instagram account, you can create one and link it to your Facebook account. After linking your accounts, access the settings on Instagram, navigate to account security, and enable two-factor authentication using similar steps as for Facebook. By following these steps, you'll be able to resolve the two-factor authentication problem on Facebook.